bus leaves at 4:40. Let's see if we can make it. Oh yeah, here we go. Bus just literally is pulling up now, so it's perfect timing. Going to Houston right now and Nashville. Let's go. So it looks like getting off or getting dropped off early in the morning. There's no light in the sky, so there won't be by the time we take off. I'm going to LA today to work a LA Kings game. It's supposed to be there at noon. Flight lands at 11:45 a.m. So I wasn't sure how bad the security might be in the morning. I was going to take the 5 o'clock, but I upped it by 20 minutes just to be sure. All right, made it through security. I forgot to take out a bottle of water in my bag, and they stopped me and pulled it out. Let's go find our flight. Make sure what gate it's at. I'm pretty certain it's this A gate all the way down. But we'll go find a screen and make sure. Oh, that's weird. It says 5275 flight, A8, 6:30 a.m., now 6:20. They bumped it up. I guess they intend on leaving sooner. Normally don't see that. The same exact gate we came in here on the other night. So down here in the corner. Let's go look at our plane. I don't think you can sit here. That's where I was gonna sit, but whatever. Just got upgraded to first class, 2D. I think that's the exact same seat I had on the way here too, so that's funny. Literally right here. we took off of. No, this is B gate. Oh, it is. Yeah, this is exactly where we came before. I have to go to the C gates now. Gonna head to the next gate. Get to ride the sky thingamajigger. There's a lot of people waiting for a ride for people here.
79.
So my layover here is like an hour or something. Right here, this guy, C40, I just moved it, C41, 1004. If you like this video, thanks for watching. Just be sure to like it, and if you want to see more like this in the future, hit subscribe. And yeah, take flight. Oh, and hi Cam, hi Mason, in case I forgot. It says, I think I did, actually, yeah. But yeah.